Fascinating animal facts that will blow your mind. Number 1. Male frigate birds can inflate their bright red throat pouches to attract females during mating season, and these pouches can expand to the size of a human head. Number 2. Snakes have teeth that curve backwards to grip their prey and prevent it from escaping, and some species of snakes have more than 200 teeth. Number 3. The bite of the Brazilian wandering spider can cause long and painful erections, as well as other symptoms in men. Number 4. Takins are the largest species of goats in the entire world, with adult males weighing up to 900 pounds in the wild. Number 5. Hippos attract mates by urinating and pooping.